Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Instacart account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now, if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change your password that you have set within your account, click on the account option at the bottom left corner and then click on your account settings. This will now take you into your account settings page. Now, within this page, alongside password, just click on the change button and you will now be allowed to change your password. Just type in your current password that you are using to log into your account within the current password box and then type in your desired new password within the new password box. Then type in this new password once again for confirmation and finally click on the save button. And now your password has successfully been changed within your Instacart account. After this, you will now be able to use this new password in order to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password within your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.